Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this paint drip skull makeup look. I wanted to create an optical illusion makeup look where it looks like the paint has created a skull-like shape on my face. To start this look, I'm using a dark red Mehron face paint, and here I'm creating an outline for how I want the paint drip to look. First, cutting out the eyes for a skull-like shape. Then doing a nose cutout. Then on one side of the face I made a skull-like shape. I ended up changing that side quite often until I liked how it looked. Here I'm creating some paint drips around the eyes. One side I added more thin drips and made sort of a teeth-like shape towards the mouth, and the other side I did more of a larger drip. Here I'm adding some teeth details to sort of combine this with the drip to make it look like it just sort of made that shape on its own. Then I begin to fill in the top section. On this side I keep changing the shape. I was never really quite happy with it, so it might change over time. Here I begin to add pink, trying to create a gradient shade to overall make this look like it's sort of shiny and paint-like. Then I'll be adding lighter pink and white to areas I want to highlight and stand out more, trying to give it a shiny liquid-like effect. Here I'm using a gray eyeliner pencil to outline all of the edges to to kind of make it look like it's coming up off of my skin, like it's creating its own shadow. I'm being very subtle with this and just going barely around the outside of the edges, not making it too dark. For the other side of the mouth, I kind of wanted to give it a subtle teeth-like look, so I'm going in and adding a little bit of pink in a tooth-like shape. I didn't want this to stand out too much. I kind of wanted it to almost look like an illusion rather than coming right out and making the teeth, just sort of like it's within the paint itself. Here I'm going around and highlighting the drips on the high points, making them stand out and again look shiny and liquid-like. And that completes our paint drip skull makeup look. I thought this would be an interesting look to do, sort of more of an optical illusion. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.